Hey guys, welcome back to my discussion on visual analytics using Tableau. So today I'm going to talk about Tableau pricing. So Tableau pricing is divided into two parts. The first part of the pricing is only for individuals, and the second part of the pricing concerns about the teams and organization. So let's see what are the pricing structure for individuals and teams that Tableau is offering to us. So Tableau is offering $70 per month per user if it is billed for individuals. And this billing is totally billed in annual basis. But for teams and organization, Tableau has two segment of pricing. The first, if the reports are deployed to Tableau server. So a Tableau server is a physical server space that Tableau provides to the concerned teams and organizations. There is a cost of maintaining this physical infrastructure of the server. So the cost is divided into three segments: $70, $35, and $12. But if your reports are deployed in Tableau Online is a cloud server that Tableau provides to its users. There is no infrastructure cost involved in maintaining a Tableau Online server. So for the Tableau Online server, the pricing segment is as of $70, $42, and $15. So this was all about Tableau pricing. In my next segment, we will start working with Tableau desktop applications. We'll start with connecting our data, working on basic visuals to advanced visuals. We'll also work on formulas and functions and see how we can do visual analytics using Tableau on the particular data set and converting that particular data set into a meaningful information. Thank you for watching this video, guys.